A researcher hypothesized that low birth weight is related to obesity later in life. He conducts a study with a 95% confidence interval and a p-value of 0.049 to disprove his null hypothesis. He rejects his null hypothesis and concludes that low birth weight is associated with obesity. Which of the following statement is most appropriate regarding this study? So here is the explanation for this particular question, that he rejects null hypothesis and concludes that the low birth weight is associated with obesity. We have a p-value of 0.049. So what should be the answer to this? A type 1 error or an alpha error occurs when a true null hypothesis is rejected. A type 2 error or the beta error occurs when a false null hypothesis is not rejected. This occurs when a study is not able to identify the true difference. Here, 1 minus beta is called the power of the study, which is ability of a study to identify true difference. Considering the above statements, it is clear that a type 1 error occurs only when the null hypothesis is rejected, and type 2 error occurs only when we do not reject the null hypothesis. As a researcher in the question cannot commit a type 2 error, as he has already rejected the null hypothesis. He is only at the risk of committing a type 1 error.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.